Hey everybody, I'm Joe from Factory Direct Trains. I'm always getting asked for small steam engines with DCC and sound. Well, here you go. These are a sample of some of the Broadway limited engines that have just come in. We've got the USRA Heavy and Light Pacifics. These are Mikados, heavy and light, and we've got the 280 Consolidations. And all of these will handle 18-inch curves, no problem. They have DCC and sound. And the Consolidations have DCC sound and smoke, and they're also die cast. And I also wanted you to take a look at this. This is a Union Pacific oil tender. Brand new paint schemes that have just come out, and this is just a small sample. There are a whole lot more to choose from. Take a look at the links down below. And another pretty cool one is this Christmas season train has finally come in, so it's actually on time before Christmas. Get your hands on one of these, and we're going to take a look at some of these running now. This is a 280 Consolidation, die cast with smoke, and Paragon 3 sound. This is a USRA Light Pacific with an oil tender. Check out this tender. This is a USRA Heavy Mikado. Here's just a sample of some of the road names of the USRA Pacifics. You can see the Christmas one there. And this is the New York Central Battleship Gray paint scheme. Consolidations. Mikados. Hey, I just wanted to mention one more thing. For all you DC users out there, you can enjoy all these sound engines as well with a DC master. This allows the DC user to be able to activate the sounds in these engines. So they're a great buy. And there you have it. We've got some great engines. Please like and subscribe. And take a look at our website, factorydirecttrains.com. Links are down below. You can find all these engines there in stock. Have a good day, and thank you for your business.